Here are some birds in my campus. I provide them some foods which is very essential for their livelihoods. They survive for such types of foods which provides a human being to them every day, because in these days they have find no foods in the territory because the season is under a severe cold. Winter season is going on, so the food items have a great shortage in the nature. So as a human being, I provide them some foods early in the morning and they take them in my campus every day. So give me blessings for these types of activities, and I expect from my listeners and spectators who listen and see this video, they blessings me for this useful kind of work for birds and animal creatures. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.